What if your most productive employee never slept, never complained, and lived right inside your business software? AI automation isn't just a buzzword in 2026. It's the secret weapon for teams who want to double their output without doubling their headcount. Today, I'm going to show you how to work smarter by letting Bitrix 24 AI handle the heavy lifting, so you can finally focus on the bigger picture. Let's dive into the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something absolutely amazing for you. So I asked the question, what if your most productive employee never slept, just kept going? Well, we've got AI automations right here, and that's Bitrix 24. This Copilot lives inside your tasks, your chats, your CRM, and it's going to help you draft emails and summarize those long conversations. It's also going to help you generate creative ideas, and it'll do all of that instantly, as we can see right here. You can get it to work with all your workflows. So imagine when you get, say, writer's block, and you're trying to think, what can I write next? Or you just haven't a clue what to write. This is brilliant for sales and support teams. It can even generate professional-grade images for you right here. It can handle all of your business functions. This gets rid of the need to keep switching between different AI tools, going through Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT and the like. You've got everything right here. So what we do is make use of agentic AI. What that means is we simply choose the AI for the specific task that's going to automate that repetitive technical job, like lead distribution or status updates. If we want to generate documents, we can do that too. And you don't need to switch between different AI tools either. So the whole idea is you set it up and then forget about it. You don't need to check in. You don't need to, look for payroll. You don't have to find out what they're doing all day. You don't have to check up on them or message them on WhatsApp, as you can see here. You just set it and fulfill it. It really doesn't get much better than this. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not so sure about this, because, well, doesn't it require coding? Don't I need to be an expert or really technical to use AI? And the answer is no. You can actually use no-code AI, which allows any user to build autonomous workflows without needing a background in programming or even much technical knowledge at all. You can just go ahead and build it yourself. And the great thing here is that it democratizes high-level tech for small business owners. So here we can see just a chat right here, everything that's been completed, and you can see if you're a small business owner why this is so brilliant. It does everything here for you. This analyzes the sales history. It gives you various predictions. You can even see the likelihood of a deal succeeding. You can see which leads are most likely to convert, so you're not just chasing leads and guessing. And that's the power, the predictive power that helps sales teams prioritize their time effectively, so you're not jumping on a call thinking, I hope this works. As you can see, you can discuss a new marketing campaign, social media ads, things like that, draft social media ads and prepare landing pages. We've got everything there. And even then, you can automate triggers to send personalized follow-ups to clients based on their behavior, based on what's happening, so no opportunity slips through the net. So that's how you can create a high-touch customer experience. Right, let's have a look here, guys. We can see the session, we can see what's happening, the generic Copilot role. This is what I really like. It's incredibly simple. A lot of people are trying to work harder. I say work smarter. Use AI to your advantage, especially since you can get so much done here. So I'm going to create a professional business team collaborating in a modern office. As you can see, we've got futuristic technology. We've got the dashboard. If you look on the left-hand side here, you can see automation. So I can check all my automations right here. It's incredibly simple. We can come right here and see the deals, the invoices, the leads, all that sort of thing. It's all ready to go. So that's one thing I really like. So we're going to go ahead and explore the CRM now. We can see the automation rules right here. I'm just going to pull this up and have a quick look. So we can see the different triggers and automation rules. I'll come here and click create. Then we can come down here and take a look at data storage and modification. We've got different tasks. We've got managing workflow items, and I can see this right here. So I can track the value change. I can go ahead and click add here or change the responsible person. The reason this is so effective is that we can start to get an idea of what we need to do. So who's going to handle the workflow item? What is it going to do? How's it going to word? And I can also change the person right here who's responsible, as we can see. So we can just go ahead and change this. I'm going to go ahead and pick Michael here. We can organize it however we like. If we want to do it in a random order, or if we want to do it first available, however it works, we can simply do that. We can skip any absent employees or any employees who have clocked out, which is very simple. And then we just hit save, and then we just hit Pally. Boom. So we can go here. Now I'm just going to check all of the settings. You can see everything and assign a new responsible person, then hit save. We can see it works there. So we've got everything going. Now we can simply come out of there. Now I can choose to save or not. I can exit right here. It's pretty simple from there. So as we can see the different workflows here, we can see who's in charge of it, so who's responsible, and change the responsible persons as we go. But these are AI agents, keep in mind. These are not physical people. So you pick one AI agent to do one task. Say you want to create a document, have HR review it, then go through and have more reviews. You can do that here. You can have designers. You can have people who are business people. You can have people from all walks of life and backgrounds doing agentic tasks that a human would do, but they're very repetitive and take up a lot of business bandwidth and time. So I just click that and you can see the workflows. I'm going to go ahead and start a workflow right here. So here we can see the different workflows, the approval, the business trip, the requests, all that sort of thing, like leave approval. And I can go ahead and hit next. I can go ahead and click start right here. And I'll just go ahead and pick a date and pick an end date. So boom, we're good to go. Now I can pick an absence type if I want to, and then the reason for leave. Or I spend some time with a family. Well, I can do that. Why? Because I'm using Agentic AI. So now we can see all the different things right here. General requests, purchase, expense, all that sort of thing, business trip. And it's very, very simple. So a lot of people are going to ask, how can I set all this up? Well, we have sales channels right here. So you can use telephone, webmail, we've got CRM forms, we've got everything here. We've got the sales center, the CRM, we have invoices, we have estimates, even AI speech and analytics and sales scripts. So we can go through there and also look at repeat sales, and we can take a look at that as well. So I can go ahead and open this up here. We can see, returning customer, objection handling, communication style, all that sort of thing, complaints, objection handling. So I can go through all of this and see just what's going on, get a feel for it. And here we can see the contacts. You can see the different people I have for sales support and objection handling. So to me, this isn't just like, oh, okay, I'm going to set up a chatbot. This is saying I'm going to have this whole sales team available so we can make something happen. And also so we can, go through things. So here we have the CRM with the different deals. So I'm just going to come through here. So we want to make sure we can, as I showed you, analyze a deal so we make sure it closes. And here we can see Sarah Women's. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up on that one. I'm going to open that up so I can see, right, here's what's happening with the lead, where they are in the pipeline, everything like that. The information, if I want to contact the customer or not, and what the most important thing is to do here in this part of the process. So I'm making this extremely simple. Just going to go ahead and craft this email. Now, I don't have to figure out the email. It'll also do that for me as well. And that's what I really like about this. The whole process is basically taken care of for you. So, as I said, set and forget. This really is set and forget. It's not just saying, I'm going to come in and type an email and then make another email. I've got the whole subject right here. So this is a follow-up email, and we can see what I'm going to send here. So I'll just go ahead and click on send, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to simplify this for you lot right now. And I'm going to tell you, if you've been using AI, stop working harder. Start working smarter. Head to the link in the description. Start your free 15-day Bittrex 24 trial. Put these AI tools to work on your business today. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Thank you.